Hi, it's Daniel here and I'm back with another new video today. In today's video, you're going to learn how to set up or create a new Discord account, okay? It's really easy and I'm going to be showing you that right now. Okay, so this is the Discord app, and if you want to get that, you could simply get that on Play Store. Play Store comes with every Android device, and to locate the Play Store, you just have to click on this Play Store app right here and head to the search bar right here and then search for Discord. Okay, if you're using an Apple device, you want to go to Apple Store. Okay, so this is Discord right here. Okay, you just have to click on the download button you see right there. In my case, you see the update because I have downloaded this already, but if I do update it right now, this is going to start updating. Your download process would be the same with mine. Okay, this is how it's going to download, and once it is done downloading, all you have to do is to click on the open button right now. So I'm just going to do that real quick, and we're going to be back to Discord. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to click on register, because we are about to create a new account. Okay, we are new to the app. So the moment you click on register, you have two options, which is the phone number or email. Okay, whichever option you use, you still need to add either of both of them, but I'm going to first start with the email because that is important. You can always lose your number, but your email stays. Okay, so I'm going to start with the email right now, and after fixing in my email right here, which you can see right here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. Right, the next thing you're meant to do right now is fixing your display name, right? So fixing a name, people would easily recognize you with. So I'm just going to fix in with my usual name, my name, which is Daniel Patrick Crypto, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Although you can skip this, but I feel you should do this, okay? So you don't have to do this later. Okay, now the username is valid. Okay, this is what they said. The username is valid. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and type in a password, and once I do that, I'm going to come back to this very video, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next right here. Okay, so I'm just going to save this password to my Google so that I wouldn't have to log in each time I want to access my Discord account. Okay, now we're being asked to select the date of birth, which you can see right here. So just click on this field you see right here, and this calendar will just pop up. So you are meant to scroll, right? I'm just going to scroll through this and select my date of birth, and once you're done, you click on confirm. Okay, after you do that, you go ahead and tick this very checkbox right here. Just check this box right here, and then you click on create account. Okay, so we're going to solve the reCAPTCHA right now, which is a verification process that confirms whether or not you're a human or a robot. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on confirm, and this is going to bring out or pop up the reCAPTCHA for us to solve. Okay, so the reCAPTCHA right here says that we have to drag this very object right here. We have to drag this very object right here to this particular place, right? We have to make it fit. Okay, so just hold this and drag, right? Drag this and fit this here. Okay, it's really easy, really simple. And then once you're sure that this has aligned together, just go ahead and click on this verify button you see right here. Okay, and this is going to take us to the next page, right? So the next page right here says allow Discord to send you notification. We're going to allow, and this is a kind of advert. Well, you can check that out if you want to, but this would have to do with a plan, right? Which we are not ready for yet. So I'll just X out of this, and then it says find your friends on Discord. Okay, so I'm going to click on allow, and that's it, and we move to the next. Now we're meant to enter our number, just like I told you before. Whether or not you select an email or phone number, you still have to enter the order, right? So I'm going to enter my phone number right now. So once I'm done entering my phone number, I'll go ahead and click on next, and then click on confirm again to move to the next step. Okay, so it says verify your phone number. We're just going to wait for the message to arrive, and this message is going to arrive in our WhatsApp, right? So this is it. It's best to always use your WhatsApp number for this. So this is the number. I'm just going to pick this code right now and fix it in there, and then go ahead and click on verify. But before I click on verify, I want to let you know something. Please do not share this code with anyone. Okay, this code is unique to you. Make sure you keep it safe and don't share it with anyone. Okay, I'm just going to click on verify right now. Okay, so it says, what is your name? Okay, you want to enter a name. Okay, your name is used for friend requests, suggestion to your contacts, and connecting with people you may know. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in a quick name right here. I'm just going to type in a short name right here, which is Danpat Crypto. Right, so this is the name I'm going to pick, and I'm going to click on next right now. So once you do this is going to show your contacts who are on Discord, but I'm not actually going to add these guys right now. If you want to, you can just go ahead and click on add friend, but for now I'm going to skip this. Right, I'm going to click on skip right now, and we're going to move to the next step, which is help your friends to find you. Let people who have your email address or phone number search for you on Discord. Okay, so I am going to click on allow people to find me, right, and I'm going to add a profile picture right now, and then we move to the next step. So to add a profile picture, you just have to click on this cycle icon right here. Just click on it, the plus icon, whichever one you decide to use. So I'm going to click on allow right now, and then this will take us to our photo gallery. So after selecting the picture, just go ahead and click on that check icon at the top right hand corner of your screen, and this picture would automatically be fixed in, right? Or you can just go ahead and choose one of the famous avatars right here, okay, if you don't have a picture in mind to use at the moment. But I'm going to click on next right now. Okay, so we are now officially on Discord. Okay, everything you see here is not rocket science, but I'm not just going to start explaining deep into this, right? Because Discord is kind of broad, despite it has a simple interface, but it is kind of broad and very confusing. Okay, so I'm not going to start treating how to use Discord right now, but in my consequent videos I'm going to create a video on how to use Discord. Okay, but for now the important things you need to know is that this is the profile section right here, and if you click on it right now, this is where you can see your details, okay, like your date of registration, your friends, and the privacy options you want to use right here. You'll also see where you can edit your profile and your profile picture, and important things you can find in the settings. Okay, so this is basically what you need to know. Now for the notifications, if you have any notifications, this is where you see them, of course, and this is the home. This is where you see channels you have joined and friends you have. Okay, now I forgot to mention something. When you use your email for Discord, you get to receive email, right, which would ask you to verify your email. Now make sure that you verify your email. This is the one which asks you to verify your email. Make sure that you verify your email so that your phone number and email will be verified. Okay, so once you click on that verify email button, this is going to lead you to this very page, and you can see it's verifying your email and your email is verified. Okay, this is an important thing you need to do. So this is what I decided to draw to your attention right now. So you can now continue to your Discord dashboard, okay, which would open up the app for you. But once you see email verified, everything is settled. So this is how to join or create accounts for Discord app. I hope with this very video tutorial you now know how this works, and I hope that you now understand properly how to create an account for this. If you have any question at all, I'll be willing to answer your question. Kindly leave them in the comment section and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. With this, we have come to the end of this very video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and share so that other people who need this very information can find it easily. If this is your first time stopping by, like always, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that whenever I create the next video on how to use Discord, you won't miss out at all. Until I come here next time, I remain your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.